fluffy clouds of spiced pumpkin goodness, golden on the outside, soft and jiggly in the middle. This is autumn on a plate. Let's go. Step 1. Make the base. Whisk together pumpkin puree, egg yolks, a spoon of sugar, flour, milk, baking powder, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt until smooth. Now that's your golden pumpkin base. In a clean bowl, beat your egg whites with the remaining sugar until stiff peaks form. This is what gives the pancakes their signature soufflé lift. Fold a bit of the whipped egg whites into the pumpkin base to lighten it. Then gently fold in the rest. Don't overmix. You want it airy, not deflated. If you're liking this recipe, hit subscribe now for more cocoa and dessert creations every week. Time to cook the pancakes. Heat a non-stick pan on low, brush with butter, and scoop 12 ounces of batter. Cover and cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Flip carefully, cover again, and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes until golden and jiggly. Getting the perfect shape may be a bit tricky, so I used cookie cutter rings to help with that. You can do that too if you want, to keep the pancake as well as yourself together. Now for the final touch. Top with raisins soaked in maple syrup and rum essence for those cozy fall vibes. These pumpkin soufflé pancakes are everything. Fluffy, spiced, and light as air. Like eating autumn-flavored clouds. The fluffier, the better. Try it at home and tag us so we can see your version. And don't forget to subscribe for more cozy recipes coming your way.